So it's the 16th District Court is one of 7 trial courts in Denton County. Trial courts in the state of Texas district courts in the state of Texas are the highest trial courts in our state court system. Please tell us how many jury trials you have tried as lead counsel in your career.
I have probably tried approximately 10 jury trials in my time as
tried them either to a court or tried them to a jury. As a prosecutor, the cases are filed under the district attorney's name. If you go to the Denton County website now, you can look up criminal cases. You'll see state versus somebody, and then the attorney of record for the state is always the prosecutor. So it is difficult for you to pull up records to see the actual criminal cases that I handle. However, part of my job when I was a prosecutor was to do statistics on the cases that I actually tried to juries and to bench and to judges. And so if anybody